Do you want to increase the playback speed on a YouTube video? So it's real easy to do. So let's go ahead and go to our YouTube and go ahead and pick a video that you want to speed up. And so this is going to be for every single video that you do. It is important to know that the settings that you pick here will also be changed for future videos that you watch. So just keep that in mind. So once you're here on the video, you want to go to the gear icon that's at the top right hand corner, and this is going to bring you to the settings of that specific video, and you just want to go to playback speed. So from here you can go ahead and choose different speeds that you want. There is a premium version if you want it to be very, very fast, but if you don't have premium, you could still speed up the video. So go back to that gear icon and go ahead and pick whatever speed you want. I'm just going to leave this on normal for right now. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and increase that playback speed.